Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am back. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. My head is itchy. I need to get some oil. But I'm back. I'm here with another one. Eayon Hair, okay, reached out to us with the opportunity to review one of their products. And I am so super excited to review this human hair unit, okay? She's a 13x6 lace, pre-plucked Pixie bob, and I am so excited about this. So the hair color is natural, okay? Look how beautiful this lace is. She is so soft, okay? 3 combs, 1, 2, 3, okay? And then 1 comb in the back, and then adjustable straps. They also have lace on the bottom here as well. This unit, I know you guys can't see it. Let me just throw her on right quick. Oh, I don't have one cat. Good night. I can see it. I'm feeling like Whitney. But you know the good Whitney? You know what I mean? Like early Bobby Brown, I guess. So they actually sent us the adjustable band, which is fantastic. This unit is pretty big head friendly. Okay, so you may need a band. And they sent us wig caps. Y'all know how we feel about this. So let's get in to styling this unit. I'm really super excited about this. I know you guys can't see the vision. I'm looking very I want it with some mud. I know I'm looking very much like that. But you know, I'm gonna give y'all something different, I promise. Let's see. So let's get into this lace. So the lace is pre-plucked, and you can tell it looks beautiful. Okay, let's put on the cap. I'm too excited about this. Okay, guys, so this Eayon Hair unit is just everything. I was super impressed when I pulled her out the pack. Okay, so she is going for $100, and she is about 4 to 6 inches. The density on this unit is 130%. She's nice and thick, but not in a too much kind of hair way, in a very natural texture way. The cap size is medium, so she's big head friendly, faux show. Okay, I thought that I definitely needed to sew the band in after throwing her on, just to give her a nice, more snug feel. But this lace color is a light brown, medium brown. It comes in medium brown as well, so you can make that distinction. But I have the light brown lace, and all I had to do was add a little powder to her, as you'll see moving forward. But this Brazilian hair unit is everything. So let's go on ahead and get this unit right together. We're going to use our hot comb just to define our part a little bit more. We're just going to give her a little bit more depth than what she currently has. We're going to take our water bottle. I use a little bit of rose water on my human hair units. I love the smell, and it makes the hair a little bit softer. And I'm just going to go through and run my fingers through, because what I'm trying to do is get a more defined curl. You know, very Juices and Berries like. What movie is that from? So I think that once you get her nice and wet, you can run right up on that lace and take a look at that scalp, and she is just giving you nothing but edges. Okay, I really do love this unit, because this is what we mean when we say it's a quality purchase. It should be this easy to get her together. You guys, this unit is insane. Like, I know y'all might not enjoy this short hair. This unit is so effortless. And you guys know we love a snatch and go. I didn't even do anything good night. Look at that. I didn't even darken up the lace. Now, because this unit is big head friendly and I didn't do the bands, it would be more apropos. I'm just wetting her up just to get the curls more defined. You guys. I'm just gonna go through this part. God, I need this thing. Do y'all hear me when I say what lace? What lace? Yo, Eayon Hair. This unit, I know she's short. She's going for $100, okay? And I know y'all like, ah, what? I know. But they're always running a little cute little sale. And to be quite honest, I'm just spraying her with a little water, guys. To be quite honest, it's a yes for me. It's a yes. So I had the option to choose, you know, a unit that I wanted to do. And I really, you see that, guys? Look. I want to get up on you. Do you see that? Can you see that? Look. That is stunning. Stunning. And you can't tell the kid nothing. I feel effortless. I feel cute. I got on my hoopty earrings. You know what I mean? This is just like an effortless, like I just want to hit the streets. I want to wear a really short dress and have short hair. What are you guys thinking? Tell me what you're thinking. I'm just trying to get it nice and juicy. You know what I mean? Juices and berries light. Yes, I don't wet my face up. You guys, this is out the scalp. The scalp! She's literally out of the scalp. I don't know what to tell you guys. I am feeling her. And I know you guys might not know. You might be a little bit unsure about this style, but I think she's so pretty and effortless. The back is looking a very bit crunchy to munchy. Okay? So let me get her together. We just want to lubricate her a little bit. Get her together. So what I'm doing is just wetting it and zhuzhing it up. Because I like the curl look. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm a natural girl. I wet my hair and I'm hitting the streets. Am I not giving y'all that? Like, what's up? Okay. So let me turn around. Alright. So you guys can get a good look at these curls, honey. And tell me what you guys are thinking. Buzz down. Join our support group. This thing is effortless. Eayon Hair came through with a bomb. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. What lace? That one. Look at how, like, I can't. If I was to glue this joint down, it would be a motherfucking red. But I'm not today. But that's how good this unit is. I'm out here like Sierra when she was about to fight Carly Red, but she was like, you know, we friends or whatever, but my wig wasn't even tied in. That's what I'm giving y'all right now. So if you have not already, again, bust down, join our support group, and I hope to see you guys again. Get into this Eayon Hair unit, guys. She is stunning. And I'll talk to you guys later.